everyone, I'm Chris. I'm going to read pages 8 and 9. Oh, says the little girl. Oh, oh, oh. Wait, says the old woman. First, the pot must stop. Then she says to the pot, Stop, little pot, stop. The pot stops. Now you can eat, says the old woman. It's very good, says the little girl. It's delicious. You can have this pot, says the old woman. When you want to eat, you say, Cook, little pot, cook. And the pot cooks. Then say, Stop, little pot, stop. And you can eat the porridge. Thank you, says the little girl. Thank you, everyone.